Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing colorful leopard nail art design. So let's get started. So first I have used this base. So base coat is really important, guys. If you don't have base coat, you may go for transparent nail polish to protect your nails. Okay, so now I'm using white color as my base, and this is like French manicure type, guys. So half this is white, so I'm using this really thin brush. You can also use toothpick to make sure that we have to fill white color within the line. So now I'm using red color. I'm doing small dots, guys. If you want, you can go for bigger dots. It's your choice. So I'm using dotting tool. If you don't have dotting tool, you may go for toothpick or pencil, but should not use the sharp side. You should use the other side of toothpick, and if you use pencil, it shouldn't be sharp. So now I've taken green color. This color is, guys, golden shimmery color. You can use any color you want, guys. It's not important. I have used this color, so you have to use this colors only. You can go for any color. It will look beautiful only. Now I'm using this pen, guys, for my nail art tool. This pen is not working, so I've used for my nail art design. Yes, you can see the point of this pen. This is really sharp, so I have used 4 small dots. You can also use toothpick. If you don't have toothpick, you may go for needle. Now I'm using silver glitter. Guys, I'm having a dry glitter, so what I've done, I have mixed with transparent nail polish and glitter, and then I have applied it. So guys, tell me how it is looking. Don't forget to put top coat, guys, to protect your nail polish. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please comment me below. Thank you. Bye bye.